it's Miss Kelsey here at the Frank Johnson Recreation Center, and we're gonna make some easy, cute butterflies to finish off my bulletin board wall. But these are just cute fillers that I use to decorate for the summertime theme that I'm going for. So you'll need tissue paper, pipe cleaners, scissors. So the first thing that we're going to do, if you have a full-size sheet of tissue paper like this, you're going to fold it in half. And we're going to cut right down the middle. Next, whichever side you choose, I prefer the long side. We're going to cut a circle. And I start at an angle to give myself a better vantage point. The circle doesn't have to be perfect, but try to keep it as round as possible. We're going to take the two. You can just do one color if you like, but I want this to be a little different. And we're going to fold it fan style. So fold a little section, flip it over, fold it, and you're going to do that until you get to the end. These are going to be our butterfly wings. So I want to keep it kind of neat. And we're gonna do it with our other circle that we cut out. Now, we're gonna take our two folded halves, and we're gonna place them on top of each other like this. We're going to get one of our pipe cleaners equally in the middle. We're gonna fold upward. Make sure that it's equal, and then we're gonna twist. Twist. Twist it until it's secure. Then we're gonna spread out our butterfly wings. Try to keep the folding neat. And then we're going to, you see, it's turning into a butterfly. And I'm going to fold my antennas to give it a little more pizzazz. And this is one of the bulletin board fillers I'll be placing on my wall.